Hi there. Right now, we're going to learn about essential graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is one of the widely using things. So let's start with the title. Okay, so I want to add a video footage from our exercise file. Likewise, I want to add this clip 8, this video footage in our sequence timeline. Okay, cool. So I want to type a title in here. So when we were discussing about the tool, you can take a look. We have a type tool. So you can use this type tool for typing the title, and there is another way for typing the title, and that's called a legacy title. So let me show you how you will create a legacy title. You just have to go for file menu, and from there you will get this new option, and under the new option you will get this legacy title option. So I want to add a legacy title in this footage, so you just have to click on this legacy title. Okay, cool. So you just have to type a name for this legacy title, and title O1 is good. So let me put this title O1, and I'm clicking OK. So you can take a look. A new pop-up is appeared in here. So this is our legacy title pop-up. So you can take a look. The mouse cursor is changed, and you can take a look. We have some legacy title styles. Let me increase the area of title style. Okay, you can take a look. We have different type of styles. We have different type of shapes like rectangle shapes, ellipse shapes, triangle shapes, line shapes, and many more options are available in here. Okay, so as an example, let me choose this Arial black text style, and I want to type a text in here. So let me place my cursor in here, and I want to type Sajek. Actually, this is a video footage from Sajek Valley. So let me write Sajek Valley. Okay, Sajek Valley. So this is the text, and let me start customizing. Okay, so I want to increase the size of text. So the option for increasing the size of text is here. This is called size, and right now we have 100%. So let me increase the size. Okay, 200% is good, but our alignment is spoiled. So I want to align this text as center. So here is the alignment option. So I want to place this text in center place. So here is the option. So let me click on this center place. Okay, cool. Right now we have the perfect alignment with our text, and we increased the size of this text. Okay, if you want to change the color of text, you can do that very easily. So you can take a look. Here is the option called fill option, and here is the fill type, and you can take a look the color. So we already have the white color, but if you want to change the color, you can change the color very easily. So here is the option for changing the color. So you just have to click on this color, then a color picker will appear, and from here you can pick any color. So I want to go for I want to go for this pink color, and I'm clicking OK, and we can take a look that the color of our text is changed. Okay, cool. So if you want to add some stroke, you can apply the stroke like inner stroke or outer stroke. I want to apply a outer stroke, and that's why you have to click add option. So let me click add option, and you can take a look. We got a outer stroke, but you have to increase the size, and you can select the stroke color. Right now we have the black color, but I want to change it. I want to change it in yellow color. So here is the yellow color. Let me pick the yellow color from here, and let me click OK. Okay, so let me increase the size of outer stroke. Okay, you can take a look. We got the perfect outer stroke for this text. Okay, so here is, we have the shadow option, background option. So let me turn on the shadow option, and you can take a look. We have a very small size shadow. So at first we have to increase the size of shadow. So let me increase the size of shadow. Right now we only have 2 point. Okay, you can take a look. The size of shadow is increasing. Okay, you can take a look. The size of shadow is increased, and if you want to create a distance of shadow from your text, you just have to increase the point. So right now we have 4 points, so let me increase the point, then the shadow will be moved from the text. Okay, so let me increase the point, and you can take a look. Shadow is moving. Okay, so here we are done with the shadow, and let's focus on background. So if you want to turn on the background, you have to turn on, or you have to tick mark in this background box. Okay, when you will click on background, then the preview of your video will be removed, and the color you will apply for background, that will remain. Right now we do have the black color, so if you want to change the color, then you can change it. So you just have to click on this color option, then you can pick any color from here. Likewise, this red color or green color. Okay, so you can take a look. We got a green background color, and our video preview is disabled. So depend on your need, do you want to apply the background or not? It's totally depend on you. So for some while I am turning off the background. Okay, cool. So right now I'm going to close this pop-up. Okay, let me close this pop-up, and you can take a look. We have the title in our project panel, but it's not applied in our video yet, as because we didn't placed this title in our video track bar. So if you want to place this title along with this video clip, then you have to place this title in your video track toolbar. So let me place this title at our video track toolbar. Now it's overlapping, and therefore the title is visible along with the video clip. But if you place this title at video track 1 bar, then this title will be played once this clip 08 video will be finished. So let me show you. Okay, it's just playing alone, but not with the video clip. So I think we have to place this title at our video track toolbar, and let me place this indication bar from the beginning, and let me play this one. Okay, cool. So this is the title duration. It's remain for around 4 seconds. But if you want to increase the duration of this title for a long, then you can increase it very easily. It's similar like the use of selection tool. So I'm increasing the duration of the title with the duration of this video footage. So let me play it from the beginning. Okay, cool. The title is created, but title is not moving, not animating. So we will learn about the how to animate the title. Okay, so you can create animation in two ways. One is manual ways and another one is presets. So right now I'm going to show you the manual ways, then we will focus about the presets. Okay, so when I'm playing this text along with this video footage, there is nothing happens with the text, no moving, no animation, nothing else. So we will make an animation, and we can use different type of animation like zoom in to zoom out, like rotation. So let's start with the zoom in. So at first, when the video will be started, our text will remain smaller, and therefore you have to make sure that your title layer is selected, and then you have to go for effects control tab. Okay, so right now I'm going to reduce the scale of text. I want to bring around 60 point. Okay, so our text will be remain smaller when the video will be started, and therefore I placed this scale of text for 60%. Now we have to create an anchor point, and that's why you have to click on this toggle animation option. So let me click on this toggle animation option, and please focus, a keyframe is added on here. You can take a look, a keyframe is added on here, so it's marked with 60% of scale. But when this video will cross around 5 seconds, then this text will be turned into 100%. So right now we have the 5 second in our sequence timeline, and when the video will play it for 5 seconds, then it will turn into 100% points. So right now I'm increasing the scale for 100%. Okay, you can take a look, another keyframe is added on here. So this is the keyframe for 60% of scale of this text, and this is the keyframe for 100% of scale. So let me place this indication bar in here, and you can take a look, the scale of our text is 60%. So let me play this one. So you just seen when this video start with 0 second, the text is remain 60%, but when this video hit for 5 seconds, it's turned into 100%, as because we set two key point at 0 second. We set this key point at 0 second for 60%, and when it will hit the 5 second, then it will hit the 100%. We set a keyframe in here. So this is the main mechanism of animating of text. So this is just a zoom in and zoom out animation. So right now I'm going to show you the rotation. Okay, so we set the zoom in and zoom out animation for 5 seconds, but from 7 seconds, this text will be started for rotation. So at 7 seconds, I am adding a toggle animation or keyframe at 7 seconds, and that's why I'm clicking this rotation option and I'm clicking this toggle animation. Okay, cool. So from 7 seconds to till 11 seconds, it will start to rotate, and I want to increase the rotation for 360 degree. That means 1x rotation. This text will rotate for one time. So you can take a look. We have another keyframe at 11 second. Okay, so let me play from 7 second. Okay, from 7 second, let me play this one. Okay, cool. So you can take a look. This text is starting rotation from 7 second, as because we set a keyframe in 7 second, and it's finished at 11 second, as because we finished the rotation at 11 second. So right now we have two animation added in here. The first one is zoom in and zoom out, that start with 0 second and that's end up with 5 second, and then at 7 second we started the rotation keyframe and it's start with 11 second. So let me play this entire clip once again. Okay, so let me play this one. Zoom in effect is applying, animation, and here is the rotation animation is applying. So this is the all about this keyframe functionality, and using this keyframe functionality, or you can call this toggle animation functionality, using this toggle animation you can create the animation of text. So this is simple and you must have to do some practice. So let's have some practice, and we are going to learn in our next lesson about the essential graphics presets.